Annyeonghaseyo friends, and welcome back to the Torsie channel for more BTS, or more specifically, Jin. Yes, I have avoided this song all weekend because I couldn't record until now, so this is extremely a first watch for me. I'm so excited. I know he's been having a wonderful time with Coldplay, performing with them. It warms the cockles of my heart. Let's get into it. Gotcha. So fluffy. Wow. Oh yeah, you can hear that Coldplay influence. Wow.
가는 저 소행성처럼 나도 그저 떠내려가고 있었어. 어둠 속에 젖은 나의 모든 dream 새롭게 시작될 story.
와.
When I'm with you, there is no one else.
Oh. Oh, Chris. Oh, it is so beautiful. Oh, how cute. Oh, that's so cute. Look at him in his Beatles outfit. Wow. So Jin. Is that Chris driving? Oh, that's so sweet. Oh. Coldplay and Jin is such a wonderful match. We spoke when we were talking about My Universe about how Coldplay has this quality to them that makes them sound really expansive. In fact, a song called My Universe suits Coldplay so much because they have this huge sort of floaty, dreamy, expansive sound to them, and Jin and that softness. I think that's the best word, the softness of his voice. There's a dreamlike quality to his voice. Him always singing about things like moon and stuff like that. It works for him just like it works for Coldplay, that they have this otherworldly or kind of beyond your body, beyond your consciousness, floating quality to them. It's such a beautiful pair, and that very Coldplay key change at the end and the reverberating backup vocals that is Chris's voice, and the way that there's an echo effect to it and it seems to just drift out into the ether. It's such a wonderful match. That was really moving. That was really, really beautiful. I know that it's his song for ARMY and the little girl on the bike is meant to represent us, which is too cute, especially with the Polaroid, but like the purple helmet and the purple bike and everything, and just being there for us and her being so enthusiastic to be around him. That's a really nice way to look at that relationship. Because Jin isn't the leader, it might be easy for people to forget that he's the oldest. And there's something about like that very Beatles-esque black suit that he was wearing that's a bit too short on him. It's kind of showing how long he's been with the group, how much he's grown. He's in his 30s, he's a grown man, and that suit being just a bit too short on him in the ankles and at the wrists is indicating just how much he's grown, just how far he's come with the band and with ARMY. And there's that beautiful expansiveness that suggests it can kind of go on forever because the universe is ever expanding. There is no edge to the universe. You can just keep going, and an astronaut can go out and explore that. It has such a lovely, it's made me a bit floaty. It's got such a beautiful tone to it. It's so Jin. I wasn't actually sure what to expect from him, especially because Super Tuner was the last thing we had from Jin. And my favorite thing to ever happen in the world. But Jin can do that because Jin has that fun, wacky side, and the flip side of that is this maturity, and that's what that song is. That was really, really beautiful. We're going to have to watch his performance with Coldplay because I freaking love Coldplay. I love Coldplay so much, and I've seen little clips of like Jin running into Chris's arms and everything. It looks so ridiculously darling, and I think this is a really, really beautiful song. There's something, there's kind of a mutual respect to it. There's also an understanding, like Coldplay co-writing this, you can see how much they understand Jin and understand his point in his life and his relationship with ARMY. It's really clear through that song and through the maturity and sensitivity of it. It's gorgeous, really gorgeous. Oh, my little heart. Oh, my little heart. Oh God. Oh no, I just got really sad about military duty. Oh, it finally hit me. I've been through this already with like a couple of my favorite actors and everything, and it was so shocking and upsetting, and waiting for them to come home was terrible. And at the same time I was like, no, it went by really fast. But it's been different with K-pop idols. Min has now been away on military duty, and it feels like it's been forever, and I don't want to say to ARMY, oh, it's interminable, it feels like it's forever, but it really did, and it's been very upsetting, and I think it just hit me. Shoot. Well, that's got me in a reflective mood. That was so beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me for some Jin. 감사합니다. 사랑해요, and I will see you soon for more. 안녕.